let's add an agave plant. I think we have room for an agave plant right here. It's going to be a small one, but agave plants can get huge. So this is a young agave plant. I'm going to start by making 2 curved lines. So there's 1 and 2. And again over here, 1, 2. Another one in the middle, 1, 2. And again over here, 1, 2. And one more. Alright, so there's our agave plant. We can also add a cactus. I think I'm going to draw my cactus over here. I want to draw the base of my cactus first, so that's like the bottom. Then I'm going to go up and start making the arms of the cactus. Your cactus might look a little bit different than mine, and that is okay. I also want to add some lines on my cactus. Oh, there's the bell. Alright, I've added lines to my cactus now. Next thing I want to do is add the line that separates the ground close to me from the mountains. And usually we call this the horizon line, but since there are mountains in the background, I'm not going to call it the horizon line. So we're going to make this line that goes across our paper. As soon as you bump into the Adobe house, jump over it. Call this a bump and jump. Start again over here. Draw your line. As when you bump into the cactus, jump over. There you go. That's sort of your horizon line. So if you don't want to add mountains, you could make this the sky and this the ground. But I do want to add some mountains to the background of mine. So I'm again going to be doing that jump and bump that I just talked about with my mountain. So as soon as I bump into the house, jump over it and continue my mountains here on the other side. And I'm going to do a few different layers of mountains. So there's layer 1. Each layer is going to be a little bit taller. It might even be bumpier. I'll do one more over here. And a big one. So there are all my layers of my mountains, and I want to make this sunset because I feel like the sunset has really beautiful colors. You could make it any time of day. It could be nighttime, daytime, sunset, or rise. You could also change the weather. But since this is a dry desert climate, it's probably not going to be raining. So just keep that in mind as you're choosing what type of weather you want your artwork to have. I'm going to add a setting sun, so I don't need to draw the whole sun. I'm just going to draw a little bit of the sun here behind the mountains. Alright, and there you have your Adobe house with an agave plant, a cactus, mountains, and a sun. You can color it with whatever you have at home. That might be markers, crayons, colored pencils. You can use, if you have watercolor paint, you could use that. Make sure you ask permission first. Be sure to text me a picture or upload it on Google Classroom so I can see how it turned out.